Hey everyone, and welcome back to another installation video brought to you by Rockford Fosgate. As always, I'm Rico Felice with the Rockford Technical Training Institute, and in this video, we're going to take a look at the installation of some of our new Harley-Davidson motorcycle-specific products. So let's go inside our R&D department and see how these products are installed on the motorcycles. Alright guys, I'm now joined by Brad with our new product development team, and he's going to walk us through the installation process of the front audio speakers for this 2015 Road Glide. So Brad, what is it we're going to actually be putting in the bike today?
We're going to be installing a pair of our new TMS65 speakers for the new Harleys. We're going to show you how easy it is to do, that anybody can do it.
Alright, cool. Well, let's get started and see how easy it is.
To begin our speaker installation, we're going to start by removing the factory grille. I'm going to use my hook tool, prying from the inside of the grille, just below the plastic. We want to pull up towards the handlebars to release the clips, and then remove the grille.
Now once the grille has been removed, we're able to take our T25 Torx driver and remove the 4 screws that hold the speaker in place, and then remove the speaker itself. Alright guys, so once you have the 4 screws out, you can lift the speaker out of the fairing and disconnect the audio connections.
With our factory speaker removed, we can now install our new TMS65 speaker into the housing. We're going to start by connecting the speaker wires first, and then screwing it to the housing itself, finishing it up with our new grille that came with the kit.
Alright guys, so now that we've got the brake side speaker done, we're ready to move over to the clutch side of the fairing and get that speaker replaced as well. Alright guys, so as you can see, it was a pretty straightforward and easy install. Hopefully you were able to follow along, got some good information out of it as we were doing it. So Brad, any final thoughts before we let them go?
If you have any questions, feel free to give our tech guys a call. They'll be more than happy to help you out.
And as always, check out our website for more information, for more videos, and hopefully we'll see you again in another installation video.